Welcome to Oxford Dodge, conveniently located at 1249 Hyde Park Road. One of our friendly concierges will greet you in our service drive and check in your vehicle prior to your consultation with a service advisor. This allows you to drop off and pick up your vehicle in a convenient and climate-controlled area. Should you choose to wait for your car or truck when we're servicing it, please feel free to wait in our lounge or browse our showroom to view the latest in our award-winning lineup of vehicles. If you need to go somewhere while your vehicle is being serviced, we have as many as 3 shuttles running that will take you where you need to go as quickly as possible. For more freedom to deal with your busy day, book a service vehicle with your appointment or ask about our competitive rental rates. At Oxford Dodge, we believe the service we provide to our customers is of utmost importance. Our certified service dealership adheres to high standards put in place by the manufacturer. Our goal at Oxford Dodge is to enhance the car ownership experience and ensure that we exceed expectations. Call or book your next service appointment online at oxforddodge.ca.